Hello, everybody, and welcome to our weekly crypto review. This week, we are going to take a look at a crypto that I was referred to called Bitgert, also BRISE, B-R-I-S-E, on the charts. So I'm on the main page right now, just taking a look at it. It's cool background on the web page. They have a lot of neat graphics. Interesting here, it says Buy BRISE right here on the front of the page. So if you click on it, it links you right directly to PancakeSwap. So it is interconnected right to PancakeSwap, which I believe is why it's starting to get a lot of volume. You can see that it's already kicking up a MetaMask wallet, so it will link with MetaMask. So Brise or Bitgert, however you want to call it, is obviously going to be starting to trade quite a bit because it's located on the PancakeSwap instead of other exchanges. Looking down further, you can also buy it with a credit or debit card, and this is sort of a new trend that's going on. And there's these other exchanges that are like this one here, Change Now, where they'll swap over fiat currency for cryptocurrency. So this is a nice, easy way to get some of your tokens sold for, like, so for Brise, it's really an easy way for new investors to invest into the coin and get that big chunk of money right off the bat. So if I scroll down a little bit, so those two things are actually pretty nice for a new, I believe this is a token. And then looking at here, they also have three exchanges, I think they had mentioned. So they have this IndoX, which is sort of a low-key exchange, this MEXC, which is a little bit better. And then obviously Bitmart, that's a big one right there. So that'll get you a lot of trades. And L Bank, I've used L Bank a couple of times. It's a little difficult, so I try to stay away from it. So they do have some good alternative methods to buy this crypto. And scrolling down, I'm looking at it. They do have a crypto wallet, decentralized crypto wallet, so you can store other cryptos on their wallet as well, which is interesting. And also, here's the list of their team. A lot of times people don't list their team on their exchange or on their website, but they did, so that's sort of good. And scrolling down, you have a list of their roadmap. And looking at their roadmap, they have their launch phase, which is complete. And then looking at further things, they also have the growth phase, which is complete. Their expansion phase complete. Their utility phase complete. So they are moving quite a bit. And then looking at the ongoing, they have lending and exchange phase. So this is where they're at right now. They're trying to get to 50,000 holders. Well, let's get to the more important part of this. Let's get to the price for Bitgert. Okay, so that's probably the most important thing we really want to take a look at. So let's get to CoinGecko here because this was their first listing that they wanted to get on in their roadmap. So let's take a look at it. So overall, this is on a 24-hour chart. They looks like they've traded in 24 hours about $1 million worth of trading. So that is quite a high volume on a 14-day trend. Let's see, it actually is going up, which is pretty decent. Today is January 7th, so the crypto market right now has been taking quite a tank. Bitcoin itself is down right around $42,000 a coin. So for this token here to increase while Bitcoin is decreasing is actually pretty decent. And looking at the all-time low versus the all-time high, it's a 69,000, almost a $70,000 or 70,000% increase in all-time high. So if you bought in low, congratulations, because you just made a lot of money. But that doesn't mean that you still can't, because it does look like it's on quite a rise. Pretty interesting token. I'm going to keep an eye on this token. Looking at the live chart, this is a live chart on CoinGecko off of the PancakeSwap, and you can see a lot of trading volume here. And if you notice, there's more green than there is red, so that's what's pushing this chart up. There's more people buying than selling, so they are doing pretty well right now. And from the start of the launch, they are still on an increase. It doesn't look like they've had a dip, and it doesn't look like they've been on the grind. So overall, I think that this is an interesting token to keep an eye on, and I will add this to our weekly crypto review, and I will update you guys next week on this. Thanks, guys. If you like this channel, click like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be talking to you soon.